Semangat pagi dan selamat datang di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Silakan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Baik, pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan membahas kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris dalam bentuk translation part pertama. Seperti biasa, saya selalu menampilkan 51 judul untuk teman-teman ajukan atau sebagai referensi pengajuan judul. Baik, kita langsung saja memulai ke 51 judul tersebut. Yang pertama, A Classic Translation in English Indonesian of Diary of Mimpi Kid, Kevin Fever novel. 2. A Comparative Analysis of Metaphorical Translation Technique in Surah Al-Hajj. 3. A Comparative Analysis of Student Skill in Translating English Folklore. 4. A Comparative Study between tool translation and human translation. 5. Oblique translation and its degree of equivalence in Indonesian subtitle of Ralph Breaks The Internet Movie. 6. A comparative study of student self-translation and online translation Google and Sederet.com of the scientific text. Berikutnya, yang ketujuh, A Metaphor Translation of the Holy Quran, a Comparative Analytical Study. 8. A Modulation Translation in Diary of Mimpi Kid's Dog Days novel by Jeff Kinney. 9. A Nominal Form Analysis used in the Al-Baqarah English translation Al-Quran and its application in language teaching. 10. A Pragmatic Analysis of Directive Utterances in English translation of Al-Quran and its application in teaching speaking. 11. An analysis of complex sentences translation in novel of mirror image from English into Indonesian. 12. An analysis of thesis in English Indonesian translation of Quran Surat Al-Fajr and its application in teaching grammar. 13. An analysis of derivational affixes in the Land of Five Towers novel by Fuadi translation by N.G. Kilben. 14. An analysis of English Indonesian translation in novel Harry Potter in Chamber of Secrets by J.K. Rowling. 15. An analysis of English Indonesian translation procedure of Twilight novel. Berikutnya judul yang ke-16, An analysis of Pan translation in the movie Hotel Transylvania 2. 17. Analysis of student difficulties in Indonesian English translation on the 5th semester of the English education program of university. 18. An analysis of the translation of metaphors in Ghost, a novel written by Daniel Steele. Berikutnya yang ke-19, Analysis of translations procedure from English into Indonesian language in novel The Negotiator. 20. An analysis of translation procedures in the novel Adventure of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. 21. An analysis of translation strategies of idiomatic expression in the novel The Wonderful Wizard of Oz and its application in English language teaching. Berikutnya ke-22, Analysis of thesis of the prophet stories in English translation of Holy Quran in Surat Al-Anbiya and its contribution in teaching writing. 23. An error analysis of students' English Indonesian translation of recount text made by the 11th grade student of senior high school. 24. An analysis of students' difficulties in translating English idiom into Bahasa Indonesia at the 4th semester student English education program in university. 25. An analysis of translation techniques in short story Selendang Bersulam Putih by Rintani Admudi and its application in teaching grammar. 26. Class shift of noun phrase translation in Charlie and the Great Class Elevator from English to Indonesian novel. 27. Compensation strategy of idiom translation in novel The Runaway Jury atau Juri Pilihan by John Grisham. 28. Critics of the translation of cultural words using the procedure of notes at the bottom of page in the Entrok novel and Indonesian English novel. 29. cultural untranslatability words in the novel In the Mountains Enshot by Khalid Hosseini. 30. Cultural words translation in The Man Who Loved Books to Match novel by Alison Hoover Bartlett. 31. The analysis of sense relation found in English translation of Surah Yusuf. 32. Genre shift in translation of Barbie the Fur Princess novel. 33. Increasing student lexical items to produce vocabulary through grammar translation method at the second grade of junior high school. 34. Material cultural words translation procedure and meaning equivalence in Revenant novel by Michael Panke. 35. Meta translation in novel Avatar the Na'vi Moose. 36. Metaphorical translation in the Chukok Scaling novel by Robert Galbraith. 37. Modulation in English Indonesian translation of Time Flies from Miss Wish novel. 38. Modulation in the English Indonesian translation of novel Lipstick Jungle. 39. Modulation of English Indonesian translation in Safe Haven novel. 40. Oblique translation of Directive Illustrator Arc of Robert character in Angels in Diamond novel by Dan Brown and its application in teaching. Teaching the simple present tense using grammar translation method atau GTM, an experimental study at the second year student of junior high school. 42. The accuracy of semantic shifts in the two English Indonesian translation of Animal Farm novel by George Orwell. 43. The analysis of illustrationary acts in English translation of Al-Quran Surat An-Nisa and its application in teaching speaking to the 11th grade student of senior high school. 44. The analysis of lexical and grammatical translation differences of Indonesian subtitle of Alice Adventures in Wonderland movie and is a context for vocabulary and grammar teaching in senior high school. 45. The analysis of student difficulties in finding Indonesian equivalents in translating starting up text found in their English textbook done by the English grade student of senior high school. 46. The analysis of student mastery in grammatical equivalence found in students translating Indonesian sentences into English 1 at the 11th grade of senior high school. 47. The analysis of student problem in finding Indonesian equivalence in translating traditional Japanese wedding ceremony in English at senior high school. 48. The analysis of student problem in translating English narrative text into Indonesian at the 8th grade student of junior high school. 49. The analysis of the English Indonesian translation method in novel Study in Scarlet Sherlock Holmes by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. 50. The analysis of the translation text accuracy issue in the Physics bilingual textbook for the 7th grade student of junior high school. 51. The class shift of simple sentence in English Indonesian translation of the Star Shine Down novel. Sekian 51 judul translation bab pertama. Silakan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari channel Pejuang Skripsi. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Terima kasih.